Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create blank spaces on iOS 14 home screen. And basically, it's just iOS 14 customization, how you can create blank spaces just to make your home screen more customizable. It's actually really cool how this works. It's actually using an app called TestFlight. So this app, I'll have a link in the description for you guys to go ahead and download. The link will bring you over to this page right here. I'll just show you guys really quick. Bring you over to this page right here for TestFlight. So what you want to do is you want to click on View in App Store for a TestFlight, and then you want to go ahead and download that. Once you have the TestFlight application downloaded, you want to come back to this link in the description, and you want to go to this Step 2 option right here, where you can join the beta for this application right here. Once you have the TestFlight downloaded, you just want to click on Start Testing for the beta, and then you want to add that application to your TestFlight. Once you have that done, you guys will see it looking like this, where you're able to go into the application and you'll be able to select a screenshot. Once you have both applications on your phone, all you have to do is just go to a blank page on your phone. So all we're going to do is we're going to long press on any application here, click on Edit Home Screen, then we're going to drag over to an empty page on our phones. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a screenshot. Once you have the screenshot done, you can exit out of here and you can click on Done. You want to go back into the new application that we just downloaded, and then you want to click on Select Screenshots, click your screenshot that you just took, and then it will say Success. Now what we can do is you can exit out of here, and we'll go on Edit Screen again, so just make all your applications wiggle by clicking on Edit Home Screen. Then we can click on the plus icon at the very top, and then here we can scroll down, and we want to find that new application. It probably will be at the bottom, as we see right here on my screen. We can go ahead and click on that. And then, as you guys can see, it will give us three options, one for small, medium, and large, but you will see that it'll emulate your home screen. So basically what this does, it's like a transparent image that goes over your home screen to emulate a blank space. So we're just going to click on, let's just say, the small widget here. And as you guys can see, I have the small widget going in that top right corner, where it will make it look like it is just a blank space. Very cool. There's lots of customizations that you guys can do with this. You can be very creative and make up whatever looks best on your phone. Anyhow, if you guys need any help with this, just let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to help you guys out. It is very easy to install, but if you guys have any issues, just let me know. Anyhow, I hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.